Alright, so I went to Trader Joe's today. And got Brussels sprouts and this yummy Parmesan cheese. I'll tell you a little bit more about that in a second, but I got a bunch of other stuff, bought a lot of meat, turkey bacon, chicken hot dogs, which were actually terrible, all that. And so I've had my craving looking through the fridge, and I decided, oh, I can make Brussels sprouts and these Parmesan chips. So I'm going to show you how I make these. They're incredibly simple and easy, and just that's the only ingredient. And what I love about this is it has no like filler. Like, it doesn't have any like tapioca starch or what do they call it, pulp, cellulose, which is basically tree bark, or not tree bark, wood shavings. So this does not have wood shavings. It's Parmesan cheese, Parmesan cheese, which is made of skim milk, cheese cultures, salt, and microbial rennet. And this one I believe is kosher. I think microbial rennet is kosher, but the other ones have animal rennet, which it could come from pig, could come from horse, could come from cow. You never know. They don't specify. So this is the kosher one, I believe. If I'm wrong, somebody let me know and I'll figure something else out. But I love that this doesn't have any filler. This is just cheese and salt. So, yeah. So to start, we're gonna put it on high-ish. And I need to wipe out my pan because I just made some. But for the video's sake, we need to start with a nice clean pan. Alright, so I got my cheese there and I got my nice clean pan heating up. Feels pretty hot, and we are going to take a teaspoon measure. And you could do this with your fingers too if you want, straight out of the container, but because I have to set that there on the hot stove, I put it in glass. Yeah, so make a little pile and it starts going. And you can make these larger, but you gotta make them flatter. These go pretty fast. Get a little hole, fill it. Got a little hole there. That one's already starting to brown. My spatula. And when you see the golden edges, you just go ahead and flip it. And work in the order that you put them in. Somewhat. And if things start popping too much, you can lower the heat a little. Oh, that one's sad. It's on the edge. Oh, it's brown. Anyway. Pretty simple and pretty delicious. You don't need to add anything to it. You don't need to add any salt. It's literally only been like 1 minute in here. Doesn't that look great? A nice little keto chip. Alright, my pan's getting real hot now, but I'm done, so I'm gonna turn it off. I've already got some on my plate. I don't need to eat too much. Beauties. About this. I've already actually eaten probably 5 or 6 of these, and look how much cheese I still have. And this was, okay, that was like $4. And I actually bought some Parmesan crisp things like this. They were a lot crunchier, but I'm sure if I bake these or cook these slower and for longer, they would get crispier. But I can make so many of these with that much cheese for $4. And I found some, I found some at the store. And gosh, I wish I could remember how much they were, but I remember thinking, oh my gosh, that's kind of a lot, but I really need something. And yeah, so this way better deal. And super easy to make. And they're nice and fresh and warm and crispy. Yum. Yum, yum, yum. Alright, one more shot of me eating. Well, that's a really crispy one. That's good. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.